I was looking for these Ferragamos, El Salvador Ferragamos, and these things are hit and miss. Probably gonna miss on these. They got some defects at the toes. Under the shoes is not that great, but it's not that bad also. These are the best feature of the shoes, this heel. But for the price that I got it for, probably $1 or $2 at this weight. It's probably $1. Actually, it's probably closer to $2. So these were at the bin. These were thrown back. Somebody just didn't want these. They were at the end cap at the beginning, at the front, where everybody sort their items, and somebody probably had this, looked it up, and just didn't want to bother with it. This is a good pair of Ferragamos. These are in great shape. I don't know what they go for. I mean, in this size, 10.5, that's human size. That fit a lot of people. So if I clean these up now, 30 to 50, I mean, that's a huge range. Probably 35 to 45, I think it's fair. Yeah. I found another pair of Keens. These are in rough shape, but the tread is a lot better. So somebody's definitely gonna want these, because these are like hiking. These are hiking Keens. I knew when I picked it up, this was messed up. I might just cut this with a scissors. Nah, I'll leave it the way it is. I'll just take a photo of that. Like I said, these are with crud cutter. I could just spray it right on the shoe like this. Use this brush and right over it. See, this is, I'm not cleaning all the shoes right now. I'm seeing what I got. See, now this is way better, way more presentable on this side. The same thing with these. These are nice Terex. I've sold them before. These are men's 7.5. They're small, so that's not great. My son could fit this, to tell you the truth. But somebody threw them back because they were probably like too dirty. I'll look it up. And once again, these are easy to clean. This kind of fabric, synthetic, I could spray it right on it. Crud cutter. Try it. It works. This is mint. Well, not mint, but that's great. I also found these pair. And I found a lot of outdoor shoes. You know what? I also found this bag. So there was like a little hiking, I don't know, outdoor. This bag, Talon 22, Osprey. Oh, I gotta clean on the inside. Are nice. I think I could spray this also. This feels like suede, but I don't think they would put suede on the outside of this shoe, knowing it's outdoors. So instead of spraying the shoe, I'll spray my brush. I won't drench it. So if I'm picking up shoes, I like to pick up shoes that's like very easy to clean, like this. There you go. Got the dirt off. Wipe it down with my rag, and this is good. I got a pair of these Nikes right here. Look at this. Oh no. What size is this? 13s. Air Max Dyson Sphere. I couldn't find any information on them. They're size 13, so they're a little too big. Oh, they're not too big for me. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, these are nice. Oh, shoot. These bubbles give you a lot of height. It's like you're 2 inches taller with these things on. Oh, this is comfortable. I'm keeping these. Okay. Speaking of beat, Nike ACGs size 10. I can fit these too. Look at that. Oh man. See, these are not in great shape also. I might order some black shoe polish and fix these up. That's if I was to sell them. You know what, this is not horrible. I could sell this, but in the condition that it is, it's like the price right. Because look at this. These need black shoe polish. You can make them look nice if you polish up these faded black areas even better. But anyways, look out for some Nike ACGs. There it goes. There goes that on the hole. Then we had some other Nikes. These Nikes were thrown out also. They're missing insoles. Women's 9.5. It's good size. Nike Free TR Connect 2. The camo. This is not even camo. This is like leopard. This is like leopard print. This is gonna sell. This is a very nice pair of shoes. It's not gonna sell for a lot, but then anyways, it's not even that heavy. 25 plus shipping on those. Another pair. These are Echoes. Yaks. I think these are the Yaks. These are like golfing shoes. But I think these are hiking ones. They don't look great because of beige, brown. But it's Echo, and Echo sells. Might have to bring the price down again. I'll do a little cleaning. Let's see. Oh no. This might stain. So if it's not easy to clean, I'll probably just get rid of it. I don't really like these shoes. Now these I thought were smoking shoes, and I got like a lot. I got like 3 pairs of these. But I think these are just, let me see if I can do this. Yeah, it's like, it's not suede, it's like, I don't know, some kind of polyester fabric. It's like, it's not prom shoes, but I know a lot of people that would go to the prom that wear this. It's like more of it's like a casual loafer, dress up, smoke, lounge shoe. Now these, I don't know, I picked them up. Pumas, 8.5. Looks a lot bigger than 8.5. 8.5 and who? Oh, that's UK. Yeah, this is 9.5. I'm not gonna say I fit 9.5. So this is why I don't like to bother with shoes so much, because you'll do all this work for on the shoe and only get like $20 for a pair. Not granted, I'm gonna get more for this, I'm gonna get more for that, and I'm definitely gonna get more for these Nikes. Look at these Nikes, right? But let me get back to it. But you're putting all the work in on these shoes, and they might not sell more than a pair of jeans. Like these jeans are a great example. LRGs. This is old school Y2K jeans, baggy in this condition. This pair of jeans is like $20-$25 all day plus shipping. It'll sell, right? So you can find this. It's a lot easier to store. It's quicker to take photographs, and it's quicker to list because it's less research than these shoes. A lot of these shoes you gotta ID. Like I'm gonna have to ID this. A lot of these shoes, like I'm gonna have to ID, and you're just like, the time It's just not worth it sometimes. But then again, I've said this before, and I keep picking up shoes. Like, I have a lot of shoes. Now I purchased these. I picked these up because it reminds me of the Y2K Chunky. And I know the Y2K Chunky sells. But I picked this up. Fashion Bug. And I knew, I'm like, oh, these are heavy. Dang! These things are almost 3 pounds. I paid $4.80 for these. Paid $4.80 for these. Overpaid. And I knew it. Alright, anyways, that's what I was thinking about when I picked up these shoes. I wouldn't pick them up at that price again, but we'll see. These were left. These were thrown back. Somebody just didn't want them. See this stain right here? I'm not going to try to clean up that stain. Because if I was trying to clean it, I would make it worse. So I'm going to sell it as is and just take a photo of that stain. Men's 11. These are nice. These are pretty much new. I'm not gonna. I could sell them new with the defect, but that's that. These are Fry. Yeah, I knew these were in bad shape when I picked them up. Dang, if I wet these, I'm gonna wet them. Let's see. Oh man. Oh man, you see these getting darker? You see that? Can't even clean these shoes that great. Nah. This is a lost cause. These were nice. Picked them up on a whim. Don Marinos? No, Dan Marinos. These are nothing. I couldn't find anything on these. These are randoms. I'm still gonna list them. It might still sell, but even though if it sells, I wouldn't be like, hey man, go out and pick these up. It's probably just gonna sell because of the size and the condition. The condition is a great condition, and the color is a nice color. So if you price these right, it could just sell. But I wouldn't recommend people to go out there and pick this up. And these are another nice pair of shoes. Once again, you see the area that's dirty? I'm not going to try to clean it. This is suede. This is all suede. I'm not going to try to clean it. This part right here, I will clean. I don't have any more magic erasers. I ran out. Magic erasers perfect for this. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. I'm not staining it. I know my rag's dirty. It's working. It's working. As you can see, I don't have much clothes. All the clothes is easily processed. But shoes linger, and I'm the only one that can process shoes. So it's almost to the point where I don't want to pick up no more shoes. But you come across some of these. I got this for, I actually paid $1 for these. Not that price. It wasn't $5. Got this for $1. And this is a pair of Andre Agassi's. I'm like, I gotta pick up Andre Agassi's. Alright. These are nice. I have to pick these up. Like, why? I didn't pay this price. And I jumped out the window and I paid for these. I'm like, I want these either for myself or to sell. I couldn't walk out the store with these without these. These are Air Raids. And the gold and white. I mean, I do have some good shoes here. I don't know what these are. Pegasus Turbo 2. Pegasus Turbo 2. These are easy to clean. Easy to clean. Turbo 2. This is cool. Danskos still sell. I don't find that much Danskos as I used to. These are not bad. Some Doc Martin. That Doc Martin polish thing will get rid of all of these easily. And that's pretty much it. Yeah. Soft. These are cool. Once again, like, it's hard to pass up on shoes when I'm getting them for $1. This wasn't from the bins. These are dollar shoes. This was $1. This is $1. $1. Uno. Dollar. I can't. Just gotta process them, but I mean, I can't not take them. So, all right. Appreciate y'all watching.